All right. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you, whether you are joining from whichever part of the world. And welcome back to the New York Live. It is 8th of January, 8 a.m. Eastern now. Before we begin the session, it would continue for 10 minutes as usual, maximum 12 minutes. I would like to announce that I just posted an educational video to summarize the basic four pillars that we started 25th December 2017. That completes phase 1. And for the phase 2, I'll I'll be continuing to post the Elliott wave educational videos, at least 5 of them, 30 minutes each. The topics would be impulse waves, ending diagonals for the section of motive waves, and for the corrective waves it would be flat, zigzags, and triangles. So it's more about pattern identification when it comes to the wave principle, and that is what I will be focusing on. So watch out for the next 5 to 6 videos to be posted. I'm going to post them as quick as possible, because that is what we had discussed and that's what we promised to deliver by the first week of January. We are just extending it by one more week. So it won't be a 9 a.m. Eastern Standard daily session, live educational. It will be done the next 24 to 48 hours, and the videos shall be posted on the telegrams as well. All right. So let's get started off with the euro. We booked some profits right after the UK session was done. If you are still on the short side, you might want to take profits. We are now turning long. We are already long from 1.1980 now, with the stop loss around 1.1900. Now let's discuss why we did that. This is a compressed view of the 4-hour chart. Don't worry, I'll be posting individual videos. A lot of videos will be posted individually with precise wave counts. We had an ABC of a larger degree. Just need to understand, for the 4-hour time frame, that could be wave 4, okay, of the same degree, and what we are seeing after that is a potential ending diagonal in the making. Wave 1, wave 2. For the wave 3, what I foresee is an ABC. Let's do an ABC here. 5, 3, and 5. So this is what it could be unfolding as. Wave 1, wave 2. We want 5 waves, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Wave 3 got terminated here. We are in the process of probably making a wave 4, and then we could terminate wave 5 right here. That would be the third wave within the ending diagonal structure, if that is what is going to hold. 2 probabilities, so it's going to be like the third, fourth, and fifth waves, which could end up taking us much time. It could take up January as well as February. And the second option would be going straight deep down, breaking the trend line, which is passing right now through I think the 1800 levels. Any break below that would certainly give us a strong signal that bears are coming back for a long time. Alright, they would be targeting below 1.1550. Our long term or medium term estimate is still below 1.15. We issued a long call in the euro after a long time, actually, but we feel that there would be wave 5 printing one more high, or just in the vicinity of 1.2090 before it turns down lower. All right. Okay, let's get down to business now on the other chart. So trading point of view, we are long in the euro, the stop loss around 1900 and the target around 21, almost 2100. On the other side, we are not taking a chance on the dollar index. We are flat. We have booked our profits right after the UK live. This is also reflecting wave 4 actually. If you look at the movement, that was the first wave, the second wave, and then we count 5. So 1, 2, 3, the same degree, 4th and 5. Another low towards the 91, 60, 70 mark is very much expected or should be on the cards. Alright, we are flat for now. If you are still holding longs, you might want to take profits and stay flat, or if you are wanting to trade an aggressive manner, you might want to go short as well. Alright, if you want to sell, the stop loss will go above 93, which is a bit not okay kind of a risk reward ratio, so it's better to stay flat. We are short in euro. We have not touched dollar index. Pound, we are still holding shorts. The structure still remains constructive for the base till the time prices stay below 36.55. Right, this is what is the wave structure, or the labeling part is looking like for pound. Should be fourth wave of a higher degree, and then we've got wave 1, wave 2. If this structure is correct, then prices will definitely hold, or should definitely hold, below 36.50. Sorry. And we should be looking for a push lower towards 1.2. Now that's going to take some time. September 20th, almost 3rd of January, so 3.5 months. Next, at least 3.5 months. So at least 12 weeks from now, maybe even more than that, but at least 12 weeks from now, we should be somewhere around the 1.2 mark. That is, we are 8th of January, so February, March and April, by the end, the beginning of the next quarter 2018, you could see prices dropping lower towards 1.2. So that's a positional trade call, and we would like to stick to this trading plan, and without changing or without churning a lot of it, we would like to remain short and continue to hold shorts. All right. Okay, gold, it's taking time. It's, as I said last time, what we discussed was two probable wave structures. It is either going to it has either completed wave D. This is what the triangle structure is looking like. Sorry, that was wave B, and then ABC, wave C. Wave D we were expecting here, but it might have terminated here. 1236, we were expecting wave D to terminate all the way towards 1200 mark. So if that is wave D, then we will have, that's not wave E yet. Wave E should print one more high, ABC, remember, 535. So that's the first 5 waves which is completed. It's going to take time. Gold is going to take time to give us money, a big one, but we'll have to stay persistent in holding on the short side and also plan to sell on a rally. All right, only then it will pay off, and it's due to pay off in a big way. You know, gold how it moves. I think if it's an ABC like structure, then it's ideal. The 38.2% comes at 1290, so watch out for 1290 drop, and then a rally probably towards 1330, 35 before it collapses. All right. So we are short right now from 18, stop loss around 30. We'll try to cover it up around 1290, 92, and then maybe we can turn long as well for one more upside movement. But I'm basically a seller on rallies for gold. I want to sell hard on rallies. All right. But I'll present the case studies as and when prices, as and how the price structure unfolds as well. So that was gold, and finally crude oil. We are not touching much, but crude oil is absolutely on the short side for now. We are targeting 55 at least for the first trade, and once it breaks below this trend line, it's going to take time, and it is not a short-term call, and difficult to believe right now that crude oil is heading lower below the 25 per dollar, yes, $25 per barrel price. Most of them would reject this idea actually, most of them. But if you look at the last swing, I mean a drop from 150 levels towards $30 a barrel. I mean nobody had expected that as well. So watch out for a break below 55 if you want to remain on the short side. Even now it's a good place to sell. The stop loss goes about 60 to 50. Right, and then or if you're a conservative trader, you don't want to sell right now, just remain flat, brothers. Allow 55 to break down, and then there would be a counter trend rally towards 59, taking prices lower towards at least 42 or 45 by then. Okay, so either you sell now as an aggressive trader with a stop of above 62.50, or you want to stay flat and look for opportunities to sell after a break below 55. Bitcoin, the first leg completed round about 10,000. I mean, we went short. We gave a short call around just around the peak 19,000 levels. We didn't count that in our pip counter though, but we were down almost 4,000 points. Now we are plus 4,000 points in Bitcoin. So that's how it goes. Let's believe in our trade plan. We are short in Bitcoin from 15,000 levels positionally, and 16,000 levels we went short. We took profits of 500 points after the UK live was done today. So short from 15,000 levels already. I'll bring up the chart individually for Bitcoin. So watch out for the individual charts now during or before the next live session tomorrow at 8:30 AM Eastern Indian Standard, and 10 PM Eastern Standard. Yes, a lot of individual videos shall be posted between these times each day, Monday through Friday. All right, so let's bring this session to a pause. We are short about 4 trades active, euro on the long side, and except for the dollar index, we are not trading dollar index right now. Rest of all are on the short side. All right, so good luck to your trades, brothers and sisters, and thank you once again for being online or watching this video in an offline mode. I'll be back again the next session scheduled at 10 PM Eastern and 8 AM Indian Standard Time before the UK live, followed at 2:30 AM Eastern tomorrow. All right, so if you are still not subscribed, you might want to do so, and it's a simple story: like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Goodbye.